Today we're assembling an outdoor sofa. First, assemble all the sofa legs. Make sure the round holes on the legs align properly, as you'll need to attach the pull rod later. The sofa consists of 3 parts, 2 rectangular seats and 1 square seat. There are also 2 horizontal crossbars between the sofa legs. Next, assemble the chair backrest, 1 square piece and 2 rectangular pieces. Secure the metal frame connections with long screws. These square tubes have square plastic caps on top. Install them. Next, assemble the table section using the same steps, 4 legs and 2 crossbars. Finally, place the wooden panel section to secure it, then add the upholstered sofa cushion to complete the assembly. To replace the cushion covers, remove the existing sofa covers and replace them with higher quality ones. The technique for replacing sofa covers involves bending the palm fiber cushion in half and tucking it inside.